Hello everybody, welcome to Visual Learning Portal where visuality conveys best. Today we are going to do trigonometry and few questions which are related to this. As I've already explained this one in my previous video, so you can go and check how we have solved about all the quadrants, how we have told you about how like there is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So how we have put the values, like remember all, sine, tan, cos. All means all the values of sine, cos and tan are positive here. Sine value is positive in this quadrant, rest cos and tan is negative. Similarly for this one, tan is positive, sine and cos is negative. For this quadrant, C means cos is positive and sine and tan values are negative. And remember, we have explained about this is 90-degree angle, this is 180, and if you go into the third quadrant, it's 270-degree and the whole angle is 360-degree. Okay, so remember this one. Now we are going to do few questions. In which quadrant these value lies? So basically we are going to learn about this one. Let's do the first one. We have cos theta greater than 0. This means, this tells me straight away that cos is positive. So you can remember like that. If they are asking if cos is greater than 0, means the value of the cos theta, the angle is greater than 0, means it is having a positive value. So you can learn like that, like 0, and if it will go like 1, 2, 3 and 4, that all the positive values. In the number line, remember whatever is less than 0 is all the negative values, and whatever is greater than 0 are all the positive values. Similarly, you can remember in this case, cos theta greater than 0, cos positive, sine less than 0 means sine value is negative. So here you need to see where the cos positive in all these quadrants. So we can see here cos is positive here, not here, not here, but in the first and the third quadrant cos is positive. Now they are saying sine theta is less than 0. Sine theta less than 0 means the value of the sine angle is negative. So here the sine is positive, but here the sine is negative. So we can easily say for this one that this lies in the fourth quadrant. So we can write this as for fourth quadrant. Easy to remember? Okay. Now let's do the next one. We have the tan value. Tan is greater than 0 means tan is, you can write for that tan is positive. Okay. And cos theta also greater than 0 means cos is positive. Okay. So cos positive, tan positive. Remember we have the quadrants. So two values are positive. So tan positive, cos positive in the first quadrant. So you can write it here for this one, first quadrant. Easy to remember like that. Yeah. Okay. Now in this one, come to the third one. Sine theta greater than 0, cos theta less than 0. Sine theta greater than 0, write sine positive, and cos less than 0, negative. So cos negative, sine positive. So sine is positive in the second quadrant and cos is negative in the second quadrant. So similarly you can write this for here that it lies in the second quadrant. So the value basically lies in the second quadrant. Now let's do the fourth one. In the fourth one, our cos theta value is 0. So cos theta value lies on basically at 0, and sine theta greater than 0, which is sine positive. Okay. So you can write there here for sine is positive, but cos theta is equal to 0, means it is on here. This is the 0, this is 0, and it is a positive axis, and we can say that x-axis, positive axis in the Cartesian plane, and also they are asking for sine positive value because sine theta is greater than 0. So you can see here that sine theta is greater than 0, that having the sine value which is positive in the second quadrant. So we can write this for second quadrant. Okay. Now let's do the last one. Sine theta is equal to 0 and cos theta is less than 0, mean cos is negative. So the value of the cos is negative and sine theta is 0 on the positive axis. So cos negative is here, cos negative is here, and also cos negative, that's it. So cos negative is in the second or in the third quadrant, but they are saying that the sine theta is equal to 0. So sine theta having the value on these quadrants. So you can write maybe the third or the second quadrant, or we can choose here for this one is in the third quadrant. Okay, so in this way you can tell any value like it lies on which quadrant. So just remember to learn the table, learn the values, just remember all sine, tan, cos, and in this way you can find the quadrants. Alright, thanks for watching Visual Learning Portal.
Any questions? Comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified when we release new content. We'll keep posting as much as we can. Thanks for watching.